Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my students. Are you ready for sounds and spelling lesson? Today we will start sounds and spelling lesson. Okay, so today we have a new sound. Our learning objectives for today, we are going to identify the sound, then we are going to recognize the sound. Where is the sound? You are going to make a circle for the sound in words. Then you are going to write the sound in 4 lines. Then we are going to blend and segment sounds to make a word. At the end, we are going to identify a tricky word. What does it mean, a tricky word? Later on, you will know what do we mean by a tricky word. Today we have a tricky word. The tricky word for today is I. Okay, let's start our lesson by revising all the sounds that we had last semester. Okay, my students, stand up and sing the song with the actions, please. Okay, my students? Good. Now, my students, look at this picture. I'm going to tell you a story. One day, mom took her kids on a picnic. Okay, so mom took her kids on a picnic in the garden. Mom said to her kids, please be quiet. The baby is sleeping. The little girl said to her mom, Mommy, we are gonna to play. Her mom said, okay, but please be quiet. Okay? The girl said to her sister, can you give me, I'm going to ask you a question. Question. Can you give me a word that starts with qua sound? Her sister said, yes. Queen. You are looking like a queen. Queen. And quack. Quick. Okay, so today we have the sound qua. We have the sound qua. Look here. We have this is the capital letter. This semester we are going to study the small and capital letter. Okay, my students? Qua. This is the small letter and this is the capital letter. Now, look, listen and repeat. Listen to the word and repeat, please.
Unit 5. Recording 5.1. Look, listen and repeat.
Quick. Quiet. Question.
Okay.
Queen. Quack.
Okay, my students, now listen and chant. You are going to listen and chant. Just a minute.
Recording 5.2. Listen and chant.
Okay, my students, now it's your turn. You are going to chant.
Unit 5. Recording 5.3.
Together.
Now you chant.
And do the action. Quack, quack, quick. Quack, quack, quiet. Quack, quack, question. Quack, quack, queen. Quack, quack, quack. Okay, my students. So today we have the sound what? Quack, quack. Okay, look here. Quack, together.
Recording
Now, my students, look at question number 3. Find and circle quoi? Say. Okay, look here. What's this? We said queen. Very good. So where is quoi? This is quoi, teacher. Okay, so circle the sound quoi. What's this? Question. Okay, question mark. So this is quoi. You are going to circle the sound quoi. Quack, quack. So you are gonna to circle the sound quack. Very good, my students. Now, how can we write the sound in 4 lines, my students? Line number 1? No. Line number 2? Yes. 3? Yeah. 4? Yes. Okay, we will start like this, round from line number 2 till line number 3, then up, down, flick, like this. Okay, then we will write up, down, round, up, down, flick, quack. Okay, my students, is it easy? Again, round, up, down, down, flick, then down, round, up, down, flick, quack, quack. Okay, this is the small letter. Okay, here you are going to write quack. Start from this dot. Okay, my students, like this. First, trace this one. Okay, write qua, the small letter. Then we will move to the capital letters. Okay, look here. How can we write the capital letter? All capital letters start from line number 1. Okay, my students? Line number 2 and line number 3. Okay, we will start with the dot here. We will make a round till line number 3 like this. Okay, then we'll make like this one. Okay, then we will write a here, qua, like this. Okay, okay, so again, round like this. Okay, till line number 3, then round, then we will make this one, then we will make a down, round, up, down, flick, qua. Okay, this is the capital letter. Okay, let's write it again. Round, round, like this, big round. Okay, then okay, then down, up, round, up, down, flick, qua. Okay, okay, my students. So you will start with this dot like this, round. You have to be very careful when you write. Okay. So we will start with this round to line number 3, then down, then down, round, up, down, flick, qua. This is the capital letter. Look here, these lines for all capital letters. Where is qua? This is qua. Look here. Okay, together, those together with a small letter, okay, will be qua. Now, number 5, we are going to listen and repeat, follow and write. What's this? Queen. Very good. So, it will go with this word, qua. For queen, you are going to hear to write the sound qua. Okay, look at this, Carl. It goes very quick, quick. So here we have the sound qua, okay, for quick. And look at this girl. She said you have to be quiet, okay, quiet. So here we have the sound qua. Okay, now listen to these words and repeat. Listen. Okay.
Unit 5, recording 5.4. Listen and repeat. Follow and write. 1,
Queen.
Queen, say.
2,
Quiet.
3,
Quick.
Okay, so here you are going to write queen, qua. Then here also quiet. You are going to write qua like this. Start from the dot. Okay, my students, quiet. Then quick, also the same thing. Okay, my students? Good. Now, my students, let's blend these sounds to make a word. Qua, a, k. Qua, quack. Very good. Quack. This is the sound of the duck. Good. Now look here. Qua, e, k. Huh. Quick. Quick. Very good. Quick. Now, my students, let's see question number 6. Listen and repeat. Trace and say. Okay, look here. You are going to repeat this word. What do we have? Quack. Very good. Quick. Now, listen to them and please repeat.
Unit 5, recording 5.5.
Then write.
Listen
Trace.
and repeat. Trace and say. 1,
Qua. A. K. Quack.
Quack.
2,
Qua. I. K. Quick.
Quick. Okay, my students? Good. Now, my students, let's start with this one. Tricky word. What does it mean, tricky word? Tricky word means that word that when you write, it sounds different than the way that you write, okay? For example, the word is. Let's make this example. It will be clear for you. Look at this. Is. If you read it like this, it's not correct. This word, it's called is. Okay, is. So we pronounce it like z, is. So this is a tricky word. مخادعة. كلمة مخادعة. Okay. So when you write it, it will be different than you pronounce it. لما ننطقها تكون مختلفة عن طريقة الكتابة. Okay. So look here. Today we have the word what? We have the word I. What is it? I. This is I. What does it mean in Arabic? أنا. Yes, I. I am Sarah. I is a tricky word. I is what? A tricky word. I am Sarah. Who can give me another sentence with I? I am a girl. Well done. I am 6 years. old. Well done. I am Layla. I. So today we have the tricky word I. Good. Now look at question number 7. Look, listen, and repeat. Okay, my students. So you are gonna to listen to these kids. They are gonna to use the word I in sentences. Okay. I, can you read? I am a cat. Got this girl? I am a cat. But this boy said, I am a frog. Yeah. So they use the word I. Listen to them and repeat. Okay.
Unit 5. Recording 5.6. Look, listen, and repeat.
I am a cat.
I am a cat. I.
I am a frog.
Okay. So today we have the tricky word what? What is it? I. Very good. Don't forget it. Now let's use the word I with these sentences. Trace and write, then listen, match, and say. You are going to trace this one. I here. Okay. Like this. I. From line number 1 till line number 3. I am. I am a rabbit. I am a rabbit. Look here. Here we have animals. Okay. We are going to match the sentence with the correct picture. I am a rabbit. Here, what we are going to do? We are going to use the same phrase. I am. I am a tiger. I am a monkey. Yes, I am a lion. So here you are going to write I am. I am. Okay. I am a tiger. I am a tiger. Can you see where's a tiger? I am a tiger. Where's tiger? Is this a tiger? No. This one? No. This one is a tiger. Well done. Here you are going to write what? I am. I am a monkey. Where's a monkey here? Yeah, this one. Very good. I am a lion. Where's a lion? This is lion. Okay. Now listen to these words. Or to this sentence, sorry.
Recording 5.7. Trace and write. Then listen, match, and say. 1,
I am a rabbit.
2,
I am a tiger.
3,
I am a monkey.
4,
I am a lion.
Okay, my students. So now, my students, I want you to draw and say. I want you to draw any word that starts with qua. Okay? For example, you can do a question and say the word, or a duck that make a sound quack. Okay? Or quick or queen. And please say the word that you do. Okay, my students? So that's all for today. Goodbye.